Assalamualaikum friends, here is 99 design of t-shirt in CDR. You can edit everything in Corel Draw, but these are protected password in this app by now for lifetime. All password in this app and daily update when I upload any video. Password automatically update in application. Here is my Facebook page. Join me on Facebook, and last is Telegram. Subscribe me on Telegram channel Sheri official. I will provide every notification of video first here. Okay, so open this one and you see unlock. Depend your own choice. Next is okay, and same thing, you can change everything. Simply these are editable. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.